Imagine this. It's the year 2030. You wake up, grab your coffee, open your laptop, and boom, your company just replaced you. Not with a new employee, but with a new algorithm. A robot that works 24/7, never gets tired, never complains, and costs less than your monthly Netflix bill. Your boss says, "Sorry, it's just business." And suddenly, everything you thought was safe, your degree, your job, your future, starts to feel like it's disappearing. But here's the thing. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is already happening. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. So will AI actually steal your job? Or can you beat it? Let's find out. Everyone's freaking out about AI stealing jobs, but let's be real. AI doesn't take jobs, it takes tasks. It's not replacing humans, it's replacing repetition. Data entry? Automated. Basic writing? Automated. Customer support? Halfway automated already. But creativity, strategy, empathy? Those are still human-only zones. For now. So yeah, if your job is predictable, start learning unpredictable skills. Because the scariest thing isn't that AI will replace you, it's that someone using AI will replace you. So, are you fighting AI or teaming up with it? Tell me in the comments. Okay, let's get specific. If your job involves doing the same thing over and over again, AI is coming for it. Jobs like data analysts, translators, customer support agents, copywriters, even some coders. But hold up, it's not all doom and gloom. People who know how to use AI tools are 10 times more valuable now. It's like when calculators showed up. Math teachers didn't vanish, they evolved. So instead of fearing AI, learn to master it. Your job might change, but that doesn't mean it disappears. Comment below, what job do you think will vanish first? Here's the truth. AI can either destroy your job or make it 10 times easier. It depends on how you use it. Imagine an artist who uses AI to sketch faster, a marketer who uses ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, a student who uses AI to learn faster, not cheat. Those people win. But if you ignore it, you're handing your job to the machine yourself. So don't fight AI. Train it, use it, own it. Let's be honest, old school skills aren't enough anymore. Typing fast, AI types faster. Good memory, AI remembers everything. Even designing or writing? Yeah, AI can do that too. But here's the secret. Humans win with creativity, emotion, and problem solving. These are the anti-AI skills, the ones machines can't copy. So, if you're still flexing your old resume, upgrade it. Learn how to ask the right questions, lead people, and make smart decisions. AI can't replace your judgment or vision. That's your power. So don't just compete, evolve. Question for you. If AI could do your job tomorrow, what's one human skill you'd master today? Comment it. Okay, this one's controversial. Do college degrees still matter? Kinda, but not like before. Companies don't care if you have a degree in 2025, they care if you can get results. If you can build a website, analyze data, create viral content, or use AI tools, you win. Real skills greater than fancy diploma. Because AI doesn't care about your degree, it cares about your ability. So yeah, school's important, but self-learning, that's the new superpower. So tell me in the comments, do you think college is still worth it in the AI age? Here's the crazy part. AI doesn't just kill jobs, it creates new ones. Think about it. 5 years ago, there were no AI trainers, prompt engineers, or automation designers. Now, they're some of the hottest careers in tech. So every time AI destroys one door, it opens 5 more. The trick? Learn the tools before everyone else does, because by the time the world catches up, you'll already be ahead. So, do you want to be replaced or be the one replacing? So you think your job is safe? Maybe not. Accountants, teachers, even doctors, AI is already learning their tasks. The only safe jobs are the ones that keep learning. If you're adapting, you're safe. If you're stuck, you're next. The danger isn't AI, it's comfort. The moment you stop learning, AI passes you. So update your brain like you update your phone. Stay curious, stay dangerous. Because in the AI era, comfort equals unemployment. Now I'm curious, what's one skill you're learning right now? Comment below. Funny thing, most companies say they're ready for AI, but they're not. They buy the tools, but not the training. They want the speed, but not the change. That's where you come in. If you can help a company adapt to AI, boom, instant value. Every business needs someone who can mix human intuition with AI efficiency. That could be you. So don't wait for your company to prepare. Be the one who leads the change. Question for you. If your boss gave you full control, what AI tool would you bring to your job first? Here's the final truth bomb. No job is 100% AI-proof. But the safest jobs? The ones that need humans, creativity, emotion, leadership, storytelling. Artists, teachers, psychologists, innovators, they'll thrive. Because AI can copy logic, but not soul. So don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I make my job more human? Because that's something no machine can steal. Now tell me in the comments, what job do you think will survive the AI revolution? Here's the deal. Degrees are nice, but results matter more. AI doesn't care if you have a diploma. It cares if you can deliver. Can you code? Can you analyze data? Can you create viral content? Can you use AI tools like a pro? That's gold. So yes, school teaches knowledge, but experience teaches results. Companies are hiring self-taught experts all the time. Your portfolio, projects, and AI skills are worth more than letters on paper. Bottom line, combined theory plus practice plus AI knowledge equals unstoppable. Comment below, do you think school is still worth it or is experience king in 2025? Here's the fun part. AI destroys some jobs, but creates way more. 5 years ago, prompt engineer didn't exist. Now it's one of the hottest careers. AI trainer, automation specialist, data curator, these didn't exist either. Every time a robot takes a job, it opens new doors. The trick is to learn these tools before everyone else does. Be the first to grab the opportunity. Because the future isn't about avoiding AI, it's about leading it. So tell me in the comments, which new AI job would you want to do first? Think your job is safe? Think again. Even teachers, accountants, and doctors are being affected. AI can analyze, calculate, and even diagnose faster than humans in some cases. The safe jobs aren't jobs, they're skills. Adaptability, learning, emotional intelligence, those are safe. Stop thinking of safety as a position. Think of it as your mindset. Keep learning, keep evolving, keep being valuable. Otherwise, AI won't replace you, but someone who adapts will. Question for you, what skill are you upgrading to survive AI? Here's the reality. Most companies think they're ready for AI, but they're not. They buy AI tools, but forget to train employees. They want speed, but not change. That's where you come in. If you know how to use AI, how to implement it, how to teach others, you're instantly more valuable. Be the person who leads the AI revolution, not the one who panics. Every company needs someone like you. Comment below, if you were the AI leader at your company, what's the first thing you'd automate? Final truth bomb. No job is 100% safe. But the ones that rely on humans, creativity, leadership, empathy, storytelling, those survive. Artists, psychologists, innovators, teachers, they thrive. AI can copy logic, calculations, even writing, but it can't feel, create vision, or inspire. So don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I make my job more human? That's how you stay irreplaceable. If you like this video and want more tips to survive the AI revolution, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts.